Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by preparing the network and the media source so discovery works. First, make sure your projector actually supports DLNA or install a compatible DLNA client. Once done, put both the projector and your phone or PC on the same Wi-Fi network. Different subnets block discovery. Next, enable a DLNA media server or sharing on the source device and temporarily allow it through the firewall so the projector can find media files. Now discover and pick the files you want to show. On the projector, open its media app or DLNA client and let it scan for servers. This finds your shared device. Once you see the server, browse to the folder and select a video or photo. Choose files with native codecs to avoid on-the-fly transcoding, which can cause stutter. If the projector's browser is limited, use a DLNA app on the source or a server like Plex to simplify navigation and compatibility. Finally, start playback and optimize the viewing experience. You'll want to set the aspect ratio and resolution on the projector to match the content so it's not stretched, and confirm whether audio should play from the projector or an external amp. If playback stalls or the server disappears, restart both devices and your router. Make sure they are on the same subnet and that UPnP or multicast isn't blocked by the firewall. That single restart often resolves discovery.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.